So welcome to Electronics 6 layer. So you are watching the PYQ of signal systems of odd semester 2024-25. Okay. So let us see last 6 mark questions in this video. Okay. So first question is compute the continuous time, and that is the Fourier transform of this signal. Okay. So x of t equal to 1 for minus t2 plus 2 means minus 4 2 plus 4. Next equals 0 for minus 4 2 plus 12. Okay. So what is the formula for finding out the Fourier transform? So x of omega equal to this is the so what is the formula for finding out the just write down the first digit formula. Okay. So x of omega equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, then x of t e to the power minus j omega t dt. Okay. So in this case, we need to find out this is minus 4 to plus 10 because x of t equal to 0. So we just put the it is 1 for minus 4 to plus 4. So minus 4 to plus 4 it is 1. Okay. It is 1 into e to the minus j omega t dt. Okay. So now it is means integration, it will be e to the minus j omega t by j of omega. Okay. So let's put the values of the limits. So it will be 1 by j or minus j omega keep outside. So it will be e to the power minus j omega 4 minus e to the j 4 omega. Okay. So let us put this. So it is what that will be 1 by j omega. It will be e to the first write down 4 omega minus e to the power minus j 4 omega. So it is a by Euler's formula. So it will be you can multiply 1 actually j omega, it is e to the power of j 4 omega minus e to the minus j 4 omega. You can multiply upper and by upper and numerator and denominator 2 into j. So 2 into j. Okay. So these things will be means sin theta according to Euler's formula. So it will be 1 by j omega into 2j. It will be sin 4 means that is 4 omega, sin 4 omega. Okay. Sin 4 omega. Okay. So now this j and j will be cancelled out. Okay. So what we are left with sin 4 omega divided by omega. So let us means it is 2 into sin 4 omega 4 omega. So multiply 4, you can see that will be sin multiply denominator by 4. So it will be 4 omega. So this will be a sec function. So 8 into sec 4 of omega. This is our result. Okay. So that will be sin 4 omega by 4 omega. You can see this is sin 4 omega by that will be 4 omega, not 4 omega. It will be 8, I think. Okay. So let's check. This is 8 sec 4 omega. Okay. So this is our first question. So find out the Fourier transform of this integral. Okay. Second is to find out whether the system is LTI system or not. It is a linear time invariant system. So linearity check first. So if the input sequence are x of 1 and x of 2, the corresponding outputs are so this y1 of n equal to transformation of x1 of n, that will be 3 into x1 of n plus 5. Similarly, y2 of n, it is a transformation of x2 of n, it will be 3 into x2 n plus 5. Just put this in place of x of n, x1 of n in place of this x of n, x2 of n. Okay, then it will be this one. Okay. Now the linear combinations of x1 and x2 will be y3 of n. This will be transformation of a1 x1 of n plus a2 x2 of n. So just put in place of x of n this whole thing a1 x1 of n plus a2 x2 of n. So this is the result. Okay, just multiply. This is our equation 1. Okay, so you can see if a1 y1 of n plus a2 y2 of n is equal to y3 of n, then the system is linear. Okay, just multiply here a1, then here a2. Okay, just multiply here. That will be our equation 2. Okay. So the linear two outputs a1 y1 of n plus a2 y2 of n. So this will be there is a 5. So this will be plus 10. Okay. So these are equation 1 and equation 2 are not identical. You can see. So that is why their superposition theorem is not satisfied. So the system is non-linear system. Okay. Let us take the time invariant check. So first the delay the sample by k units of time. So and apply to the system. The output will be this one. Okay. So this will be 3x of n minus k plus 5. Okay, this is our y of n comma k. So in this case, just delay the input by k samples. Okay. Next user, that is the y of n minus k. So y of n minus k means just replace n with n minus k. Okay. So two things are not actually that sounds identical, but not identical. These are not identical. Okay. So in this case, the n will be replaced by n is replaced by n minus k. Y of n comma k means the input are delayed by wherever there is input, only delay that input by n means k samples. That is the y of n comma k. Okay. So that is the 3 of x of n plus 5. Just input, this is input. So this input is delayed by k samples. Okay. So that is the y of n comma k. Y of n minus k means this n is replaced by this n. Y of n. Y of n. This n is replaced by n minus k. In this case, the result is these two are same. Okay. Because you can see this system is time invariant. Okay. But this system is not linear. So that is why it is not LTV or LTIC. This is not the linear time variant means system. Okay, this is not the linear, na? So that is why it is not. It is time invariant, but it is not linear. Okay. Third question is that find the circular convolution of these two by using the DFT method, discrete Fourier transform method. Okay. So x of n equal to 1, 2, 3 and h of n equal to this one. So first find out x of k. Okay. So what is the formula for finding out the circular convolution? It will be first find out x of k, then find out h of k, then take the IDFT of this. That will be our circular convolutions. Okay, that is our y of n. Okay, so first find out what is x of k. This is the DFT formula. Okay, x of n into e to the minus j 2 pi k n divided by n. Okay. So now put over here this length of the sequence is your 3. So capital N equal to 3 over here. So n equal to 3. So just put first n equal to 3. N equal to 0 to 3 minus 1, it will be 2. So in this case, the n value is here. This k value is here. What is k value? K will go for k will be go for k equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. Okay. So in this case, k value is from you can n equal to 3 means k value we can take 1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the k values we can take. Okay. So first k equal to 0, k equal to 0 means it will be 0 means e to the power of 0. So it will be 1. So then we are left with this one. So it x of 0 plus x of 1 plus this is x of 0, this is x of 1, this is x of 2. So that will be 6. Okay. So now you can find out what is x of 1. Okay. Just put n equal to 3 over here and this k value is equal to 1. There is a k value that will be 1. Okay. Next put n value 0 to 2. Just put the n value here 0. So e to the 0 it will be 1. X of 1. So n value equal to 1. So e to the j 2 pi by 3. Here the n value is 2. Okay. Then you can put the Euler's formula cos theta minus j sin theta. And this value you need to calculate. Okay. Or find out this cos 4 pi by 3 sin pi by 3. That is the value you need to find out. Okay. Then just means put this value. You can got this. This is our x of 1. Similarly, this find out x of 2. Okay. So this is our x of 2. In this case, k value is 2. So it will be 2 into 2, that will be 4. And n capital N equal to 3. So just put then n equal to 0, n equal to 1 and n equal to this one is 2. In this case, n equal to 2. Okay. Then put the Euler's formula cos theta minus of j sin theta. You need to find out these values. Okay. So that would be our this one. So we have found out x of 0, x of 1 and x of 2. Okay. So this is our x of k. These are the 0, x of 0, this is x of 1, this is x of 2. Okay. Similarly, we need to find out the values of h of k. Okay. This is our h of n. So h of n, you need to find out h of k. This is the DFT formula. Just put values of k. This is on in this case also k will be from 0, 1 and 2. This is our k equal to 0. That will be x of 0 plus x of 1, x of 2 because n is here the 0. Okay. That will be 3. Similarly, h of 1, you can put k equal to 1 over here. Okay. Now you can put n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2. Okay. Then put the Euler's formula cos theta minus j sin theta. Then you need to find out these values. So this will be 0. Okay. You can get this will be cancelled out and it will be 0. Okay. Then h of 2 you can find out and also the same. Okay. K equal to 2. So you can see n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2. You can get this. Okay. Just you can simplify this. You can find out the value is 0. Okay. So h of k we find out it is 3, 0 and 0. Okay. then we need to multiply that h of k with x of k. Okay, so h of k with x of k need to multiply. So that is so that will be multiplied. You can see that this 2 will be multiplied. Okay, that x of k and h of k will be multiplied. That will be our y of k. Okay, so you need to multiply this. Then you put n equal to 0, n equal to 1, and n equal to 2. So here is n equal to 0. So if this is your n, so you can multiply this. You can get, I think, the values are uh, y of k equal to. I have not written this. So this will be y of 0. 0. What is this is actually h of k equal to 300. So if you multiply that value n equal to 1 and this value, that will be 0 0. Only what is that is the uh, uh, again what is our x of k is 6. Okay, so that will be 6. Okay, x of k equal to this value equal to x of k value is 6. Okay, these values are in this case means h of k, these values are 0 and 0. So if we multiply this two values with 0 0, it will be 0. So just x of 0 and h of 0, that value we need to multiply. So x of k, x of 0 equal to 6. Okay, so please remember that is 6. Then what is our h of uh, 6 means it will be 3. Now 6 into 3, that will be 80. Okay. So this is our actually 6 into 3, that will be 18. Okay. So 18, then 0 and 0. This is our y of k. So this is y of 0. So this is our 18. So that is 18. So because y of 0 plus y of 1 plus y of 2, that will be means 18. Okay, 18 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, so this will be 6. Okay. Now you need to find out what is y of 1. So y of, this is the IDFT formula. Okay, this is the IDFT formula. Okay, so 1 upon 3. So 1 upon summation of 0 to 2 y of k. This is the, you can put over here this n equal to 3 and n equal to 1. Okay, so e to the j 2 pi k by 3. So this is the formula. Put k equal to 0, k equal to 1, and k equal to 2. So y of 0 we have 18. Y of 1, you can see y of 1 value is 0, y of 1 value is 0, and y of 2 value is 0. This is y of 1 value, y of 2 value. So only we will get 1 by 3 into 18. So that will be 6. Okay, that will be 6. So y of 2 also, that will be 6, because we don't have these values. These values we don't have. Okay, so it will be 6. Okay, so it will be 6 and 6 and 6. Okay. So next question is determine the power and energy of x of t. This one. So you need to find out the power and energy of x of t equal to e to the minus 2t into u of t. Okay. So this is a continuous time. So equal to this one. So let us put e to the power of minus 2t. So u of t equal to, you can, it is the unit step function. So it is 0 to t. Okay. You can write here 0 to t. So you can just integrate this. It will be e to the power minus 40 dt. Just put these values. Okay. So 1 by minus part you can take outside. So limit, it will be this one. So it will be 1 by 0, 1 by infinity. Okay. So that will be 0. So 0 minus 1. You can put here t equal to infinity. Okay. So it will be 1 upon 4. Next is a power. Okay. This is the power formula. So this is 0 to t, again the same thing is there. Okay. Just put the formula, it will be uh, that formula, it is 0. Okay. 0 minus 1. That will be 0 minus 1. So it can get the 0 value. Sorry. Because t equal infinity. So if we can put t equal infinity, it will be 0. Okay. So this is the power equal to 0 and we have the energy. So it is an energy signal. Okay. This signal is energy signal. So these are the reference. Thank you for watching this video. So in the next we will see some long questions of this lecture series. Okay. So thank you all. Have a nice day.